We're in New Lenox, Illinois. We have a racist, angry person behind us.
Fuck, just tried to go
really
around,
driving.
They almost tore
this
their
is only
car
like
up.
literally one street, right?
I'm doing 44 miles.
Oh, by the way, New Lenox, Illinois is a predominantly Caucasian area. Extremely high priority, rich people out this way. You know, upper class, if you know what I mean. Rich, a lot of money, you know, a lot of land.
Tear your fucking car up.
Or whatever, but yeah, chill out. Chill. Man, where can you really go with a street like this though, y'all? Where can you really
go? You can't
go?
go nowhere. There's 2 cars in front of me. What are you impatient for? You gotta do fucking look, speed limit 35 miles, bro. Now I know us as people, we don't actually do 35, but like I ain't about to speed for you.
If you big
and
impatient,
get your ass, take another way, motherfucker.
If you're big and bad, go around. See, one thing about white people, right? Y'all see that motherfucker right there? See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Bro, you are in the street with your daughter.
That's why
bro.
I just had to honk at you, nigga. You got it.
Damn,
you care
bro.
about y'all life?
Alright.
What do you hear?
That nigga was impatient as hell. I don't care what y'all say. That was just pure racism.
That was racist. I don't give a fuck what you say.
Anywho, besides the stupid person that was up behind us close, this is our nature date. And have y'all ever been to a beautiful forest preserve like this? Like, come on now, you cannot beat this. You can't beat this. It's pretty. I like it. I love it.